I believe one thing that can help a lot of traders is by getting the hell off of the 1 minute chart, getting the fuck off of the 30-second chart, getting the hell off of the 5-minute chart, and just focusing on the daily chart and focusing on the 1 hour chart. Even if you are a scalper. Yes, I said it. Get the heck off of the smaller time frames. Now, excuse my language in the beginning of this video, but I tend to get a little fired up when I see things on the charts that are very, very clear and things that are very easy to kind of sit back and wait for, and people, aka traders, do not take advantage of the moves because they're trying to be cute and outsmart the market. Listen, I am probably the dumbest person that you guys will ever meet, but you want to know that one thing that I'm really good at is allowing things to come to me. Okay, I am not out there looking for things to happen. I am waiting for things to happen on the charts. Now, am I going to be right every day? Of course not. I would be a fool to tell you that I make money every single trade and I never lose any trades. That's insane. Every trader loses. I don't care if you make $20,000 a day. I don't care if you make $20 a day. Every trader loses. We all have cold streaks. We all have personal lives outside of trading. We all have things that get in the way of being able to trade the markets, see the markets correctly, and that we all make mistakes because we're human. I have a trade plan. I have a journal. I've broken rules in my trade plan. Recently, I've broken rules. Within the last 2 weeks, I've broken rules. Does that mean that I'm a horrible trader? No, it means that I'm human. Okay, so if I'm human, I know that those mistakes are going to happen, but I'm also human. I have a brain that works most of the time, and it allows me to be able to fix those mistakes that I know that I made. So if you guys focus on the 1 hour time frame, do we see this chart? This is a 1 hour time frame going back to Monday. Okay, so it's this week's trade action from Monday. I've got a few highs and lows marked out. I've got the lows of Tuesday. I've got the highs of Monday. I've got overnight session lows, and I've got some pivot points. This chart is telling me that we're going higher. Even on the red candles that you can see on the screen, it's just pulling back very, very orderly. This move, the last 3 days, is so orderly. It's so organized that it almost looks fake. Break previous day high, come back, back test it, push higher. Break previous day high, come back, test, push higher. Break previous day high, push, come back, go higher. There's nothing fooling you about the charts. So if you look at yesterday's highs, okay, I want to show you yesterday's highs. And what I need here is a drawing tool. I need a drawing tool. Where is my drawing tool? Give me 1 second. I need a drawing tool. I need a drawing tool. Let's let it load. Hopefully it works. Give me a second, guys. Maybe it's going to show on my screen. Maybe it's not. Perfect. Beautiful. Guys, so yesterday's highs, okay? Yesterday's highs are here. Those are yesterday's highs. Does that make sense? Does everyone see that? Does everyone see where yesterday's highs are? Here. So what am I looking for? If this move is continuing to go higher, I'm going to focus on the 1 hour time frames. I see that yesterday's highs get confirmed in the overnight session. Now, I know a lot of you guys are not trading at 1, 2, 3 in the morning, Pacific Standard Time, so you're going to miss that move. So by the time you get up, all you're looking at is the move pull back. And you're telling yourselves, today's the day. Today's the day that the market goes down and I'm a hero because I'm going to short the market at the open. Let me give you a little bit of advice, my friends. When we are trading over supply, when we're over our 5, 10-day moving averages on a daily time frame, we do not short shorts off the open. We trap shorts off the open. Okay? We trap shorts off the open. Does that make sense? Now, if we notice something here, I want you guys to notice something here. Okay, so if you look at today's price action and you look at the lows from the pre-market, What did we do when the market opened? We swept the lows of the pre-market, which was also sweeping the consolidation from yesterday. So there was a lot of consolidation. Do we also notice the amazing bull flag that was forming yesterday? Normally, when a bull flag happens, you're looking for long, lengthy periods of consolidation, and you're looking for the breakout. So when we get the breakout outside of the flag, the bull flag on a 1 hour time frame, it's going to put in a new high. And when it puts in that new high, it's going to have to pull back or consolidate. So when it pulls back, if it doesn't lose a previous structure high, a low point, means that it's only setting up for a trap. Okay, so notice how when we break out, put in a high, we pull back, we trap, and then it pushes higher. That's textbook. Okay, so what you guys need to focus on is when overnight session highs get broken, we're looking for the new high here. And then now when the market's open, we're looking for that to get confirmed. Once that gets confirmed, this is a long position. You use a previous hour candle low as your stop. Oh my God, hour candle? Isn't the range going to be huge? Sure, 42 points. You don't like it? Don't trade it. Go find another strategy. But I think that looking at this chart is going to keep you in a position longer than if you were looking at a 1 minute chart or you're looking at a 15-second chart, go up, down, up, down. You know how many 15-second candles are in a 1 hour bar? Do you know how many 1 minute candles are in a 1 minute bar? Do you even know how many 5 minute candles are in a 5 minute or in a 1 hour bar? A lot. So all you're doing is trying to take little bits and pieces of what's going on a bigger move. The bigger move, right? The train is going higher. Okay? The train is going higher. So why are we trying to fight the trend? Why are we trying to fight the trend? Doesn't make any sense. So I believe that if you look at the 1 hour candles, all you need to do is look at the overnight session highs, look at the previous day highs, mark out those levels. When we confirm it, you take it, use the previous hour candle as a stop. Very, very simple. Stay on the right side of the 20 SMA. We're trading over the 20 SMA. So this is obviously telling us we're going to be long. If we were trading below the 20 SMA and we're breaking down overnight session lows or previous day lows, then we're going short, and we're below the 20 SMA, we're going short. There is no ifs, ands, or buts about it. But if you sit back and you wait for these hourly candles to confirm, you're going to make a lot more money. Notice how here, even when the first hour highs gets confirmed, it pulls back, it puts in a new high over the first hour highs. You could have taken a break over the first hour highs with anticipation of playing the overnight session highs. So if your profit target is going to be here at overnight session highs and you're going to get in here, you're taking profits there. Okay, does that make sense? So you would be taking profits in this area. But again, when you don't know what you're looking for and you don't know that we're taking out overnight session highs here and previous day highs here, then you're on the wrong side of the move. Every down tick you're chasing, every uptick you're chasing, when you need to wait for the bigger moves to happen. So I believe that you need to focus on the hourly time frame a lot more and then manage your trades on a 5 minute time frame. That's going to help you be on the right side of the trade more so than not. I hope this video helps you guys. If you want to trade with me each and every single day live and you guys want access to the mentorship at Evolution Traders, make sure you guys join the link down below. I have 3 spaces available for this month going into next month. I'll see all of you guys on the inside.